Today we're bringing you some smaller options for RVs from the Southwest RV Show.
The Southwest RV Super Show. Because there's another one that has a different name, so got to differentiate.
Hope you enjoy.
We're starting off with the You Can Camp 590G. It's a nice little camper, can be pulled with a lot of things. You don't have to have a giant truck to pull it. We'll take a look at the inside. It's got a bed. It's got a spot for a TV if you want it. Just the basics of what you need. There's your spare tire. It's got a portable fridge. You can take it out if you want. It's got a cooktop back there. And this is a great little camper. It seems like it would be really good for overlanding and such. Next up, we have the Encore Rogue 12RK, another small type camper that you could pretty much pull anywhere, I would think. It's got a little spot for your TV there, this couch, then those cushions will lay down into a bed. Very cool. It's got the shades right there. There's your spare tire, and it has doors on both sides like the previous one we saw as well. This is another little camper that's great for really getting out there and camping and still maintaining some creature comforts. Now here we're on to the Flagstaff Shamrock 233S. Now this is a pop-up of sorts. It has 3 pop-outs that are screen mesh sides and 1 actual slide out. This is a very unusual camper. I hadn't seen one like this before. Jim gives it the thumbs up on putting those pool noodles on the edges so you don't bump your head on them if you are outside there. It's a really unique camper. For a small camper like this, there is a whole lot more than meets the eye. And it's got so much to it, you wouldn't even think. It's got 2 beds back here, 2 on the little pop-outs on one side. Looks really comfy and spacious. And turn around here and look at the whole camper here. On the right we have a jackknife sofa, and at the very end we have another bed. It's a queen size bed. And here you have a U-shaped dinette, which also turns into a bed. And here we have a bathroom, and it's not even a wet bath. This is a full bath. And for a camper this size, this is actually a good size bathroom. And we're getting into the storage now, and that is one thing that this camper is not lacking. It's got a cooktop there, and as you can see, it's got a whole bunch of storage under this bed, storage drawers under the dinette, storage in the kitchen, another little storage cabinet under the jackknife sofa, and this little flip down, I guess, little table thing. Not sure what you call that one, but it's a really cool little camper.
We hope you enjoyed these smaller trailers that we've brought you today. We found them really interesting, so let us know in the comments what you think about them.
Yeah, I mean, obviously RVs come in all shapes and sizes, so the main thing is just to get out there and camp, you know?
Get out there in nature, go places that you've never gone before.
I mean, the camping lifestyle is just amazing. You know, you're getting out here to be with nature. But until next time, guys, we'll see you out there.
See you out there. Bye.